Hey guys, today we are going to be making some pickled eggs, one of my very favorites, so easy to make as well. And this is a recipe that I have made over the years, adjusted it to my tasting. So I already have a jar here of hard-boiled eggs, super easy, you can make eggs. And now we're gonna make our brine. So in a pot, add 50-50 water and vinegar. Here I'm using 1 cup of each. So, in with our water. So that's the base for it. And then we're gonna add in 1 whole clove garlic, 2 bay leaves, about a tablespoon of pickling spice, or as much as you like. I like it spiced. So that is how I'm going to do it. Oh my god. Okay, this is salt and sugar. 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And we're just gonna throw this in there. And I'm gonna bring this up to a boil till it's boiling, and then we're gonna pour it over our eggs. Okay guys, so I've got this on the stove. I just dissolved in the sugar and the salt. I gave it a little taste, and I've decided that I'm gonna add in just another teaspoon or so of salt, just to my taste. 1 tablespoon is all you need, but I'm a salty dude. So use little, use a lot. The vinegar is what's important. Okay, we got hot brine. Hot brine. I'm gonna try not to fog up the shit when I do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour this over these eggs. Boom, boom. Super easy. I wanna get that bay leaf and that clove of garlic in there as well. It doesn't really matter about all the spices, but the bay leaves, they add some good stuff. Okay, oh my gosh, it's really hot in there. Okay, we're gonna get Is this twice in this video now? Or is this 2 different videos that this has happened to me? Oh my god. Okay, so now you can see we've got these eggs brining. They are fully covered. I have a little bit left, and oh, where'd I put the lid? 1 sec, guys. Good, yes, I found the lid. And then we just throw that baby on. I'm going to put a date on these. You can eat them really after 3 days. I mean, I'm so impatient. But up to 2 weeks, they're really gonna be building flavor. So wait 3 days if you can. But anytime after that, you're A1 to eat as many as you want. These are so easy to keep in the fridge. Just always have around. Just for a little snack. It's awesome. Also guys, just before one of you accidentally poisons yourselves, these are to be kept in the fridge the entire time. As soon as you make them, you get the hot brine in, and you just chuck these in the fridge, and that's gonna keep them safe to eat. You don't want to leave these out on the counter. I know somebody will.